Hello animal friends. Welcome to our channel. At this time, we will return to discussing the myths or facts of some animals, which we may have heard before. There are 3 animals that we will discuss at this time, namely dogs, frogs and bees. Are these things really just myths, or is there a scientific basis that explains that these things are a fact? Find the answer in this video. Let's get started. 1. Dogs see the world in black and white? The claim that dogs see the world in black and white is a common one, but it's actually an inaccurate claim. Scientific research has shown that dogs have the ability to see some colors, although their color vision is more limited compared to humans. Dog eyes have 2 types of color-sensitive cone cells, which allow them to see the blue and yellow spectrums. While dogs may not be able to see the same spectrum of colors as humans, the claim that they see the world entirely in black and white is false. Although dogs have limited color vision, this is why they are more sensitive to differences in contrast and movement than color details. Dogs' vision is more in line with their evolutionary needs as hunters and watchdogs. While they may not see the world in color like humans, this does not mean that they only see in black and white. So, the statement that dogs see the world in black and white is a myth. Dogs have the ability to see some colors, although their color vision is more limited compared to humans. Dog eyes have the ability to see the blue and yellow spectrum of colors, and they are more sensitive to differences in contrast and motion than to color details. 2. Is it true that frogs will explode if pressed too hard? The claim that frogs will explode if pressed too hard is one of those myths that has no scientific basis. Actually, frogs will not explode if pressed or massaged with greater pressure. This myth may have arisen from the observation that toads have soft skin and break easily, especially when they are threatened or injured. However, the idea that they will actually explode is an exaggerated and inaccurate interpretation. Toads have thin and porous skin, which allows them to breathe through their skin. However, the pressure of a human hand or even greater pressure will not cause them to explode. Instead, when their skin is broken, the frog's bodily fluids may escape, but this is not an explosion process as depicted in the myth. So, the statement that frogs will explode if pressed too hard is a myth. The idea that frogs will explode when pressed is an exaggerated interpretation and does not match the scientific facts. Frog skin may be prone to breaking, but there is no real risk that they will explode as a result of human physical pressure. 3. Is it true that bees will die if they bite humans? The statement that bees will die if they bite humans is an inaccurate claim. Bees don't actually bite, but they do have a sting that they can use as a defense mechanism. When a bee bites or stabs a person, their sting remains in the victim's skin, and this causes the death of the bee. Part of the bee's intestine is released along with the sting, which results in the bee's death in a short period of time. However, it is important to understand that bees do not usually bite humans for no reason. They will use their sting only as a form of defense when they feel threatened or when their hive is disturbed. So, most of the time, bees will not bite humans recklessly. In conclusion, the statement that bees will die if they bite humans is a fact. However, it is important to remember that bees will generally not bite humans for no reason and will use their sting only as a defense mechanism when feeling threatened. So that's our video today. Hopefully it can provide new knowledge for us about the animal world. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment if there are interesting things and new information that you find. See you in the next videos. Thank you.